How does one ensure the safety and structural integrity of a towering skyscraper or a sprawling bridge? Traditional methods of civil construction inspection have long grappled with this complex question. Often, these methods involve manual data collection and risk-filled assessments, demanding both time and resources. But what if there was a more efficient, effective, and safe way to inspect civil constructions? Enter the innovative combination of drones and machine learning. This powerful duo is revolutionizing the civil construction inspection industry, transforming the way inspections are conducted. Drones, equipped with advanced machine learning technology, are now soaring above construction sites, capturing a wealth of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human inspector. Machine learning algorithms sift through this data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. Consider a real-life case study, the inspection of the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. The use of drones and machine learning in this project proved to be a game-changer. The drones swiftly navigated the vast expanse of the bridge, collecting detailed data. Machine learning algorithms then analyzed this data, identifying potential structural issues that were later addressed, ensuring the safety and longevity of the bridge. This combination of drones and machine learning has led to significant improvements in efficiency. Tasks that once required weeks to complete can now be accomplished in mere days. Moreover, drones can safely access difficult or dangerous areas, reducing risks for workers and enhancing overall safety. Despite the impressive advances, there are still challenges to overcome. For instance, regulatory hurdles and data privacy concerns need to be addressed. However, the future of this technology is promising, with continuous improvements and innovations on the horizon. In summary, the marriage of drones and machine learning is reshaping civil construction inspection. It's making inspections faster, safer, and more accurate. It's a brave new world of inspection, where technology is paving the way for progress and safety. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of civil engineering.